how you doing? I hope you're having a great day. My name is Azza, and today I'm going to be doing something to my hair again. My last hair video was done in January, but today is May 4th, and my hair has faded out very ugly. I'm getting kind of tired of the whole bleached ends look, kinda, and having, I look like a mushroom. Or Lord Farquaad. I like having like the dyed hair and everything, but I'm tired of this green that keeps showing up when it fades out. I don't want to bleach my hair myself, so I should just chop it all off. About a month ago, Brad Mondo uploaded like a quarantine kind of haircut, how to cut your hair at home, and I really want to cut my hair. I'm going to go ahead and just get started finally. I'm going to straighten my hair off camera. That was the first step, is to get your hair bone straight. If you want to know all the exact detailed instructions, then check out Brad Mondo's video. Also, here's a little bit before, it's about here. Alright, so straighten my hair. So now I need to kind of like section. Oh, sorry if like you see something on my armpits. I was wearing a black shirt earlier and I still have fuzz that I try to get off, but it keeps like piling up. That's weird. Let me see how straight that is. This is going to try my life. Forgets how to tie my hair. Okay, and then you find the top of your head. Mine's kind of flat on the top. Is your head flat on the top too? Is that right? Why is this so thick? I just really struggled trying to find hair ties. I swear I had like a whole like brand new thing of them, but I don't, apparently. I have like the little thin like elastic things. I hate using those too. I don't know if anyone else has that, like an issue with it, but like ew. Why am I twisting this? What? Anyway, I hate using the clear rubber band things. I don't know if anyone else has an issue with them too, but they always like tear up my cuticles like somehow when I'm using them, and it's just annoying. So when I'm twisting this, it's twisting the hair. Maybe I will have to use the little tiny rubber band things that I hate. Yeah, I don't like this. I think I am gonna have to use the clear rubber band things. Darn it. Ah, I freaking hate these things. They're hard to use, in my opinion. And this one is gonna be like super thick. I don't know if I should do 2 rubber bands. I might need to do 2, honestly. Gross. Shoot. I think I already messed up. Hi, hold up. Can I get your help? Can I get your help with something? I wanted to do this all on my own, but whatever. Okay, rat.
Such an inconvenience to me.
Okay, I need you to tie this. Bro, listen. Okay, that's pretty rad. Thank you, bro. I need help with this section though, so. If I screw up, then I might need your help shaving my head. Is that straight? I can't. Mother and father would kill you if you shave your head. Pull that hair back again so I can see how straight. No. Okay. Okay,
Yanks your hair.
It's straight. I want it to be perfect.
Well, people aren't perfect. You shouldn't have such high expectations of me.
I am really sweating hard. I'm scared.
You're not.
No, my armpits. Don't touch my armpits, please. That would make me uncomfortable. Feels nice, bruv. Thank you. Okay, bye. Now that my hair is all tied up, I'm going to try and make these even without ripping my hair out. I gotta go pee too. Oh my gosh. Why is my bladder such an inconvenience? I don't know if you can hear my sister screeching in the background. I certainly do. I need you to make them all this length. And are these two the same length?
Oh no.
Thank you. This looks even. I hope. This is what it looks like. These two in the front like this. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Get it over with. do the deed. Okay, I'm really nervous because this is actually a good chunk of hair. Let me measure it. Oh my gosh, I thought this was maybe like 4 inches of hair, but from the bottom of the elastic down to here, the longest strands are 6.5 inches. So I'm cutting off about like 5.5 inches of hair because I'm not gonna like, you know, do that. Okay, it's time to just get it over with. Where are my scissors? Please don't hate on me, I don't have hair cutting scissors. I looked on Amazon to try to order some, but they're freaking expensive. I'm not spending like $20 for scissors. The ones that are cheaper looked too cheap. Like they say hair only. We got these at my house for cutting hair specifically. We keep them sharp. Okay. I just went for it. I hate myself sometimes. Ew. I'm probably overdoing some point cut, honestly. I feel like some of the point cutting is uneven, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. I probably would not touch my own hair, but quarantine and YouTube content. A few more times for good measure and go to the next one. I'm gonna do the rest of them like that, maybe show you this one, but I'm gonna turn the camera off right now and focus on doing the rest in the same kind of method. So here's an update. I messed up because this one, I was just point cutting, and I think I did it too short. Oh, I did it shorter than all of these, so now I have to go back and fix all of them. I think it's as good as it's going to get. This one, like I said, I point cut too short, but I also think the rubber band slipped. The rest of them, it looks semi-even. And another thing I realized is that I don't think I'm good at point cutting. Now is the moment of truth. Oh, this is... It's not terrible. I'm gonna have to go back in and fix some of it. Like, look at that. Like pieces sticking out right there. I think that's where like it started like pulling out at the back and looping. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh no, that one was a problem. I did such a bad job. I didn't think it would be that bad. I'm gonna have to definitely go in and touch it up. Wow, that is a lot. This side is rough. It's really rough. Oh gosh, look. I don't think I should ever touch my hair again. I've never seen my hair this bluntly cut either. I haven't seen it this short in a long time. I kind of like it. I'm gonna go ask my mom to help me fix the back right there. I really just did that. Let me show you before I go how much hair is on the floor. Oh, this is what I was using as a broom. It's like the last roll anyway. Oh look. Ew. Okay, so here I am hours later with it kind of fixed. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the layers and see if it can hide some of the imperfections. But the final test is really gonna be like when I wash it and it waves back to its like normal thing. If it like has some kind of weird funky thing going on then. I'm so over this now. And there's hair everywhere. My makeshift broom of the paper towel thing isn't working because that got covered in hair. There's hair on the sink, there's hair on the counter. I need to find my little apex again and bring it all to the top of my head. Let this section down. See what that looks like. What the fuck? Ow! I am so fucking tired of this pain.
I got my hair touching my eyeball. And I'm so freaking done with this. Yeah.
Okay, so we set. We take off the point and just maybe take it down about an inch and be not perfect. really didn't do anything. I'm not really happy. And it's obviously my fault because I suck at this. Yeah, I see a little bit of layering, but not in the back. It's all like really near the front. Okay, my camera battery is about to die, but I kind of did a little bit of that. You can kind of see it here. I don't know, I'm just gonna wash it and see how it waves because I think my hair doesn't really know how to act right now. I do think the layering did help a little bit with the blunt edge, by the way. I'll come back with it wavy and how it naturally looks. Sorry, thought I was gonna go away super quick, but I'm filming on my phone because I had posted something to my Instagram story. Like, I cut my hair and it kind of didn't turn out well. And my boyfriend called me, he was like, oh my gosh, I wanna see. So I thought I'd just catch his reaction on FaceTime.
Let me see it.
Okay, close your eyes. I don't want you to see me just pop up. Okay, ready? Okay, go.
Mm-hmm.
Go!
I thought it'd be shorter.
You thought it'd be shorter? I took off about 5 inches.
Dang.
You want to see? This was before I point cut. I took off this much hair. So what do you think?
I don't really like it. I do like it.
You don't or you do?
It's like, I do and I don't. Because, you know, I don't like it. Like, I gotta get used to it. But it's still like, I like, you know. It's like you get different though.
Here's the back too. It's pretty much just straight.
I mean,
You're not even looking. Yeah, he was playing video games, so he was half paying attention. Hi, it's 3 weeks later, almost 4. I think when I last left off in the other clip, I was going to see how it looked wavy. Obviously it's straight here. I took some videos on Snapchat to show you how it looked wavy, and Brad Mondo's method of adding layers didn't really work for me, but of course I didn't go too dramatic. And I definitely want something more dramatic, maybe to help take off some of the weight at the end or the thickness at the end. Even with it wavy, it's still like really thick on the ends. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it doesn't look that bad on camera, actually. But just like, it's kind of poofy in the back, and it still does that when it's wavy. It's almost a little bit worse than when it's straight. So I want to try and fix that. I'm going to be following pickup lines, how I cut my hair. Time to see what one side looks like done. Okay, layers did not really show up in the rest of it, except for right here. This is interesting. The more I look at it, the more like, this is really rough. I think I'm just gonna turn off the camera and try to do the other side. Hi, so I'm looking the dustiest, crustiest, not mustiest I have ever looked in a video, I know. But I'm so tired of messing with my hair and cutting it. So I succumbed and went to gray clips. For some reason, it was just not working for me, that method. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Shout out to Brittany. Girl, you saved my hair. She'll never watch this video probably, but you're awesome. Ta-da! Oh, my kneecap. Sorry, this floor is not carpeted. It's hard floor. It hurts. So yeah, I feel like it looks a lot better. You can see more of the brown like peeking through underneath, which is, that's all right. But I'm glad more of the blonde is gone. It's more trimmed up. I'm so happy that my hair is not, like it has shape now. Do you see this? I mean, it's looking kind of weird because it straightened, and like when she cut it, it started like flipping out a little bit because that's, my hair's crazy. But like it actually has shape now. Before it was just Patrick. Shape. Even when it's straight, there's shape. I will come back to you with my hair wavy so you know what it looks like in its natural state. So another change in location, but ta-da. This just air dried. It's kind of frizzy, didn't brush it. I'm really liking it. Yeah, it's cute. Kind of spiky looking right there, but it's cute. I really enjoy it. In conclusion, I learned that I am not good at doing hair. I am not gifted in that aspect. So I probably won't ever try cutting my own hair again. I don't know if you noticed, it's still sticks out a little bit, but that's just my hair. But it's not such a harsh, it's like more round it out. This kind of ended in not actually, well, I did the haircut, but I did not get the results I wanted, and I did not finish out with the haircut. I went and fixed what I needed to. I don't think there's anything else I have to say. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.